The check engine light, or CEL, also called malfunction indicator lamp, illuminates when your Subaru Forester's onboard diagnostic system detects a problem with emissions, engine performance, or other systems. Resetting the CEL clears diagnostic trouble codes, but it's crucial to understand this is only a temporary measure, not a fix. As of October 2025, Subaru emphasizes diagnosing the underlying problem before attempting a reset. The My Subaru app can monitor CEL status and remotely reset after verification by Subaru's servers. Ignoring the root cause can lead to more significant issues and costly repairs. The recommended method for resetting the check engine light in your Subaru Forester is using an OBD2 scanner. This provides a safe, controlled approach to clear diagnostic trouble codes. First, locate the 16-pin diagnostic connector under your dashboard. Connect the scanner to this port to access the vehicle's OBD2 system. Once connected, scan for diagnostic trouble codes. Record these codes for proper diagnosis and repair. Then clear the codes to reset the check engine light. As an alternative, you can disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 to 30 minutes. This may reset the light, but it's less preferred due to potential side effects. However, this method can erase radio presets and adaptive settings, including crucial eyesight calibrations. You may need to visit a dealer for recalibration, which can be costly. Therefore, using an OBD2 scanner is the safer and more controlled approach for resetting your Subaru Forester's check engine light.